this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I have some potato mayonnaise Myojo Ippeichan Yakisoba! Yeah. I gotta wait for the water to boil, but there's something else I'm gonna do. I'm breaking out the ultimate TKG! You might be wondering, what the hell is that contraption? I'll show you. If you're wondering what TKG is, that stands for Tamago Kake Gohan, which translates to egg with rice. Now, in Tamago Kake Gohan, first off, it's Japanese if you didn't know. Second off, you use a raw egg. I want to show you the beauty and wonder of this little noisy device. So what you do, let's see, we want that blocked. There we go. Okay, so first thing we do is we drop the egg in. Whoa. This is very strange. This egg has like ridges on it. I'm gonna get a different egg. That kind of creeps me out. I might be overreacting, but generally, if food creeps me out, I kind of don't go with it. Now, that one's better. Weird. Alright. Egg. We put egg up here. And we put the lid on. And then we crack it. Then we do this. Well, we turn it on, do this, and then push this. So the yolk stays right there. I want to make sure you can see this because this is really cool. Yeah, you can see it. You probably can't see the white doing its thing though. But what I'm going to do, well, this is spinning. Basically, it whips the whites. That's all. But while it's doing that, we got our water boiled. So let's throw our yakisoba all up in there. It's potato mayo yakisoba, and there's little bits of potato. So let's put this in here. And it needs 3 minutes. If you're wondering where I got this, this came in a Zenpop box. Go check out www.zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider, not the Ramen Raider, just Ramen Raider, for a discount. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, cool, you can. Getting all frothy. So it just basically meringues it up. I'm letting it take a little extra time. But yeah, I like using this on yakisoba because I don't know, I think it looks nice. What's the problem, Mimi? Mimi's having an issue. What's up, sweetie? I don't really think there is an issue. But, you know. But, yeah. Potato. Potato! They mentioned that it's, like, got a chicken-flavored sauce. The yakisoba sauce is chicken-y, so... Alright, that's cool. So I'm gonna put this. I need some more room. What I want, I've always wanted this. So many of you have this and make me feel like such a loser, but I've always wanted a kitchen island. I've always wanted to live on an island in a kitchen. Powder seasoning. This is like shichimi. And mayonnaise. We got 53 seconds. Mimi and I went on our walk today. It was absolutely wonderful, even though it did rain pretty much the whole time we were out. The only part of Mimi that really got wet was like a little bit of her bangs and her feet. Her shoes got totally soaked, but her feet always end up, when I take her out of the stroller, always just ice cold. She's just a little bitty thing. So, yeah, but are you happy? Mimi, are you happy? She says happy, so all is well. If she says, I'm not happy, that means there's going to be some anger falling very shortly. So, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, now, instead of using the lid that it comes with, we're going to drain it with a fencing mask. I don't know, I'm in a kitchen already. I don't need to use that thing and spill it all over myself. Everywhere else. Right, Mimi? Okay. Yeah, so there's little potatoes all through this. Alright, so that's funny. This doesn't actually have like a yakisoba sauce per se. It's got a powder base, it's got a sprinkle, and it's got mayo. So this might be a kind of dry yakisoba. I'm not forecasting any oil other than the oil and mayo, and that usually just goes right on top. So. Give it a stir. What I'm curious is whether by stirring this it just like mashes the potato. But it's a kind of a carbs on carbs thing, you know? It's like, okay. And in the imagery, it shows the mayonnaise on it, and then it looks like the shichimi style stuff on top of that. So that is how I'll do. I'll just do like a sprinkle. Wow, this is really dry. Not a sauce. Yeah, it kind of has kind of like a chicken gravy kind of feel to it. There we go. Get on there. And we'll put our yakisoba on here. Let's make sure to get all our potatoes out. Potatoes. What is that? Is that potato? That's potato. Seasoning did not distribute very well, but that happens. Potato just tastes like little soft chunks of potato. I mean, there's let your I just heard it. I am no happy. Okay. Start with this. Oh yeah, I haven't used this thing in a while. It's not that hard to clean. There's the top piece. You basically just chuck the egg out of that. And then here is the the yolk, which is going to sit here for just a second. And then there's a little... Okay, come on. I need a spoon. So we're gonna take this frothy white stuff. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's set that right there. This over here. And then drop our yolk on top of that. Right? Come on, do your thing. Right there. Look at that! Isn't that pretty? What? What? What's the matter, sweetie? She's hopping up and down angrily. So there's our magic egg. I don't trust you. You're gonna move on me, aren't you? I told you, Mimi, I was doing an episode. Oh, somebody's at the door. I like it too. Alright, so sorry about that. I'm back with a package sent by a reader from Hong Kong. So this is going to get cracked open and it'll be an unboxing. My God, the penmanship is absolutely unbelievable. Wow. But it's got all my info on it, so. But you'll get to know about it. But the egg stayed put. Beautiful. Okay, now we've got the egg. We've got some. Let's do the mayonnaise. This is where it gets tricky. Because it's all about how big of a hole you put in this mayo packet. Too big, it's a problem. Too little, it's a problem. There we go. Cross your fingers, everybody. Ah, I hate it when it does that. It's like it'll come out in a nice stream and then it'll all of a sudden decide, no, I'm just gonna clomp up, you piece of crap. Yeah, it's being one of those. Tastes like mayo. Lemony mayo. Well, just a touch of this stuff. We'll add our shichimi. And now the trick with this is making sure this doesn't all come out in one fell swoop. you go. And then spring onion. And we want some oil. I already got the egg. Let's just see what happens. There we are. I'm calling that good. Let's see if we can actually angle the camera so all hell doesn't break loose. Alright, ready? Let's rotate out. Alright, well, cool. Came out pretty neat looking. Yeah. Alright. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every freaking day. Have a good one and bye.